10 amazing lunchbox recipes you can make in minutes. Healthy, tasty, and budget-friendly. What if I told you you can make 10 different delicious lunchbox meals in less time than scrolling your phone? Yes, quick, healthy, and so tasty that your family will actually ask for more. Stay till the end because recipe number 7 and 10 will completely change your lunch routine forever. Intro. Welcome to Health Information 786, your go-to place for healthy, easy, and life-changing food ideas. Today, we're diving into different types of lunchbox recipes, perfect for busy moms, office workers, students, and anyone who says, "Mere bus time nahi hai." Let's get started. Sandwich. Recipe number 1. Classic chicken mayo sandwich. Simple, creamy, and super satisfied. Ingredients: boiled shredded chicken, mayonnaise, black pepper, salt, bread slices. Instructions: mix chicken with mayo, add seasoning, spread on bread, and done. Pro tip: add lettuce for extra crunch and nutrition. Wrap. Recipe number 2. Healthy veggie wrap. For those who want something light but filling. Ingredients: whole wheat tortilla, cucumber, carrot, capsicum, yogurt sauce. Instructions: add veggies, drizzle sauce, roll it tight, and pack. This is perfect for weight loss lunches. Lunchbox. Recipe number 3. Egg fried rice lunchbox. Quick, flavorful, and energy-packed. Ingredients: cooked rice, eggs, soy sauce, green onions. Instructions: scramble eggs, add rice, mix soy sauce, toss everything. Ready in just 10 minutes. Salad. Recipe number 4. Protein power salad. This is not boring. This is power. Ingredients: boiled chickpeas, chicken cubes, cucumber, olive oil, lemon juice. Instructions: mix everything, squeeze lemon, and enjoy freshness. Perfect for gym lovers. Cheese. Recipe number 5. Cheese paratha roll. Desi plus modern combo. Ingredients: paratha, cheese slice, ketchup or chutney. Instructions: heat paratha, add cheese, roll it up. Kids love this. Pasta. Recipe number 6. Creamy pasta lunchbox. Because pasta never disappoints. Ingredients: boiled pasta, cream, chicken, garlic. Instructions: cook garlic, add chicken, pour cream, mix pasta. Restaurant taste at home. Tacos. Recipe number 7. Mini chicken tacos. Viral recipe. This one is a game changer. Ingredients: mini tortillas, spicy chicken, lettuce, cheese. Instructions: fill tacos, sprinkle cheese, done. Perfect for lunch and snacks. Omelet box. Recipe number 8. Omelet bread box. Simple but powerful breakfast-style lunch. Ingredients: eggs, onion, tomato, bread. Instructions: make omelet, place between bread. High protein, super filling. Rice and chicken box. Recipe number 9. Chicken and rice combo box. Classic Desi lunch. Ingredients: rice, chicken curry, salad. Instructions: pack neatly, keep curry separate as needed. Comfort food vibes. Fruit box. Recipe number 10. Sweet and healthy fruit box. Must try. Ingredients: apple, banana, strawberries, honey. Instructions: chop fruits, drizzle honey, boost energy instantly. If you're still watching, you're serious about eating better. Comment below, healthy lunch, if you want more videos like this. Bonus tips for perfect lunchbox. Always balance protein, carbs, fiber. Keep it colorful. Use fresh ingredients. Avoid oily food for lunch. Healthy lunch equals better energy, better mood. Remember, your lunch is not just food, it's your fuel for the entire day. If you eat junk, you feel tired. If you eat smart, you feel unstoppable. If you found this helpful, like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to Health Information 786 because we bring you simple health, powerful results. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and take care of your body because it's the only place